How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm Renita, your Bralum. Welcome to my channel, and today we are getting into this kind of super easy, low-key look. I don't know, lately I've just been feeling real, like, to me, easy, just like kind of a lot less steps than what I used to do on here. So get into this. If you like it, you already know, stick around, and let's get into some makeup, shall we? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? First of all, I did my nails. Super excited about those. Before I start this look, I do want to say something because I got a comment a couple weeks back about doing a grunge vampire look. Okay, I'm so sorry. It was 3 weeks ago, and the is at Hope Cutie with a K 1775. I'm so sorry. 3 weeks ago, I said I was going to do a vamp look, and I plan to do that. I will say, however, it's daylight. It's
The fuck does that mean?
I'm
Girl.
not today. But that is going to be one of my upcoming looks. So
I'll do the best I can with what I got.
so look out. I'm so sorry it's not this one, but I just wanted to get that out there. Okay, so it's for today. I'm trying to figure out if I actually want to do my base first. Actually, yeah, we're going to do the base first. So, I'm going to do my Estee Lauder Double Wear Smooth and Blur Primer. Oh my god, y'all. So I know I already have a video and a half about my bleach brows. Slightly changed how I do it. Slightly. When I say slightly, I really just need one product change. So I went out over the weekend, this past weekend, and had a very, very, very tired night. Like, the girl was lit. Very drunk night. And, okay, yeah, sorry about that. So I went out over the weekend, and your girl got very, very drunk. Very, very drunk. But best part about the story is with the new way I did my brows, honey, lasted through the whole night. Like, it was so just so good. I'm really into how I got it. And the color, like this like gray, white, and I'm assuming it's really kind of just this gray color because of the under microblade that I have. I'm really feeling it. So I think I have found my perfect faux bleach brow. I'm going in with my color corrector first. I've also gotten pretty solid on my my base routine, so that's also pretty nice. Yeah, I've been really focused on trying to get my base routine nice and long lasting, especially because I've got trips coming, so I'm going to pretty hot places, so I want my makeup to stay. And yes, I will be wearing makeup. I was also kind of contemplating Christ on a cracker. Let me know if you guys want the travel vlog. I was contemplating gonna try and dip my toe into doing travel content with my trips coming up. So if you guys actually do want to see that, let me know. I was gonna do like travel vlogs while I'm there. And then what's it called? Travel vlogs, and I was gonna do a packing video on here because I know I only really do styling videos on here in my shorts. Because I don't really know, I haven't really figured out how to bring those to like the video portion, so all of my styling videos are on my shorts. I was also kind of contemplating maybe doing a packing video for my trip. Right now I have 2 coming, my birthday and in October, so let me know if that's something you guys want to see. So I'm gonna start with my Boy in This Way concealer in shade Caramel. You know what I want to talk about today? It is heavily on my mind, and I'm probably even going to make some TikToks about it. Or at least one TikTok about it. I feel like this may just be my age poking through, but we all know entirely too much about people. Like, I feel like I know part of it is people have no actual real in-life community, and so they get their community online. So they overshare. But like, I really think we need to stop doing that. Like, I was on TikTok, and I'm not going to say names. If you are watching this video and you happen to know who I'm talking about with this video, keep it to yourself. So yeah, I won't say names, but it is a girl who, child, so I'm also taking Born This Way and Sand, just dots. Let that sit while I do the foundation. And for the foundation, I'm actually just gonna do Elf Born This, not Elf Born This Way, Elf Halo Glow Filter. But yeah, she made an entire video, y'all, and it's literally her talking about how, like, basically saying how jealous she is of this other creator, because this other creator, I guess, has like a dating series, because that's what we're doing now. We're taking all of our romantic L's and posting them for the internet. She has a dating series that I don't watch because I would rather people just not. In this day and age, I just want us to find something else to try and go viral for. Like, let's just not, you know, just, child, I'm exasperated. But she was going on and on this video about how she is jealous that this woman, grown woman, can come on the Tiki-Taki app and be quote unquote unhinged with her dating stories. And she's like, you know, I wish I could come on here and say all of these unhinged stories and da 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 da. Why do you want that? We're losing the plot. Like, we're going back, and I don't understand it. Also, so that drunken night that I realized exactly how I want to do my eyebrows and the products I'm used, I got so drunk that night, entirely too drunk to the point where I slept in my makeup. Woke up hungover as hell, but I slept in my makeup. And you know what that did to my very sensitive, acne-prone skin? I got bumps, and I have been dealing with it. I have been dealing with fallout of that drunken night since. It's been days. It has been days, but my skin is still torturing me. So let me be the cautionary tale for all of you. Take your makeup off after you go out. I don't even care if you don't fully wash your face, just at least take the makeup off. And this is not saying use a makeup wipe. I would prefer y'all use micellar water, but just bare minimum, minimum, take your makeup off. Don't be like me, because child, it may not look like it, but my face is going through it. But yeah, this creator was talking about how I just wish I could come on here and say and like have as stories as unhinged as this one creator, and you guys wouldn't tear me apart. And you know what? I just feel like, no, they should tear you apart. Everyone should tear you apart. They should be tearing the other creator apart. We should know less about each other. And like, I know somebody out here, and there's going to be somebody who's probably going to see this and be like, oh, but that person is probably making more money than you from that, da 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 da. I don't care, because I still have my dignity. I come from a generation of taking my L's in peace, and we need to go back to that, okay? We all know entirely too much about each other. And you know what also kills me is, so while I was having this revelation, because immediately after I saw that video and I was just irritated, another video, because the algorithms are literally Satan's minions, I got a video on my For You page on that app, and this was at, like, I literally shut the app down, and I have not been back to the app since, and that was yesterday, where I saw somebody was, like, basically telling people to stop sharing more, because, you know, innately we all like gossip and da 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 da, and we wouldn't have entertainment if these people weren't spilling their lives. And you know what? I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. Stop telling your business, okay? I'm sick of also just people not just telling their business, but also I feel like we're getting to that day and age where people are just blatantly lying about the most outrageous because they too want their come up. Can we all just not? Like, has that stopped being an option? I am taking my Dion Cosmetics blush in Shade Attraction. Like, has simply just not stopped becoming an option. Like, for real, it's a disease. And I know that I am literally sitting in front of a camera doing my makeup, talking to myself, gonna post it to YouTube, hoping people see it, etc., etc. Like, I get it that somebody could see this and be like, oh, hypocrite. If I quote unquote get big or blow up as a content creator, influencer, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, it's not gonna be for me oversharing on the internet. It's just not. Like, I will tell y'all a few things about myself. We can have a key. I will talk unseriousness with y'all 24/7. But I'm not taking my L's to the internet. And like, just no. I have couth. My daddy loved me. My grandparents loved me. I have family that loves me. I have people in I have friends. Like, no. It's too proud. And take my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. We have lost the motherfucking plot. We lost it. And I hate that we're in such a state of things that when people do shit like this, the first instance is always like, oh, but this person has more money than you. Why is the world in such a state to where people resort to doing this type of Nagini. Let me get my cat. Please hold. Sorry about that. My cat was wilding. But yeah, why are we in such a state that people just do things like this and it's like, oh, but they're making money from it. I don't care. Stop it. Have some shame. Like, we should all know less about each other. All of us as a unit. We should know less. People should be more private. And we should also just stop feeding into, like, people in their bullshit and just telling their whole lives, because if we stop paying attention, guess what? People will stop doing it. I know, crazy concept. But if we stop feeding into this, just like I want people to stop hate watching things, stop it. Stop feeding into it. Oh yeah. Alright, we're gonna go in to my Laura Mercier Translucent Honey Powder. Use my Gion Cosmetics Prism Puff. I did not know I had this on the whole time. Crazy. But yeah, we should know less about each other. I want us to stop, like, because at this point, does everybody have a humiliation kink? Because at this point, I feel like everybody has developed one, and I just want to understand where I was at whatever point in life that everyone decided to have one, because what the hell? Like, what the fuck? I want everybody to have some motherfucking shame. For real. And I say this because I love y'all, and I want to love y'all more, but y'all are making it really difficult to love you. Okay. Alright, now that I've gotten that out the way, we're going to take my MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Press Powder. Studio Fix Plus? No, it's Studio Fix Powder Plus. I was right. In NW45. Let's all learn less about one another, okay? Please. Okay, so I'm going to take this Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in shade Blushing Bride. Just to go over my Gion Cosmetic. Okay, actually, let's get the highlighter out the way, shall we? My favorite highlighter, my ColourPop in Vanilla Bean. Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna do one eye and come back. Okay, so it has something very, very light. I don't know. I'm gonna be very honest with y'all. I don't really know what I'm doing today. I know I say that all the time. I know I do. But I don't know. I'm just not really feeling like doing much today. So also realized this little blob that I've been doing starting to become my signature with my dots. I don't know. It's just what it's been giving. I don't know. Okay, so basically I'm only using one color, and I'm using it from this Halloween Town palette that I got from Melt Cosmetics. I'm going into this color right here. It is Shriek. It's the only color I'm using. The only color I'm using. So what I'm doing essentially is, to start, I am carving my crease because mine is very defined. So I'm just going to lightly go over that. And I do that by simply, I have the powder on one side of the brush. The other side of the brush doesn't have any powder. So I'm taking the side of the brush with the powder and I'm just slightly going up. So I have the line. I guess with the way my eye shape is set up, it's a lot. I never realized how easy it could be for me to do a cut crease in Toto. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this and blend this out. Literally just one color today, not doing anything but this one color. I might gloss the inside of this just to add a little razzle to the dazzle, but yeah, just gonna blend this and we're gonna do the bottom. Okay, so now that the top is done, oh, kind of giving like, I don't even know. Anyway, I fucked up. So we're gonna do the bottom. Oh, that's the wrong fucking color. Go back into that Shriek and just give myself some bottom color. You're not doing anything really kind of tight and precise with this today. Just not really feeling it. Keeping it very light. Also, I don't know if it's me, but like on me, I feel like this product looks a bit more green, which could just be with my complexion. I don't know, child. I don't know, but done that, top and bottom. If I'm done, I'm just gonna go in and do what I guess is becoming my signature little dough blob. Okay, so I've gone in and done my dots. Setting spray, I'm gonna do this Morphe first. Actually, I'm just gonna stick with this. I'm not really doing much, so I don't need too much staying power. Lip. Let's get into the lipping. Start with the caffeine from Melt Cosmetics. Yeah, start with that. I'm gonna go over pieces of it with my Makeup Forever Artist Pencil. I'm gonna take my Pat McGrath lipstick in Divine Rose lip gloss color from Pat McGrath. This smells like chocolate. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take a gloss over top of it. I'm just gonna use my Maybelline Lifter Gloss real quick. I'm gonna go get that, put that on, take my hair down, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I was absolutely gonna add gloss to the nude, but I'm not really feeling like it. I don't know. I'm liking the way it is, so we're just gonna keep it. So, this is the look. I hope you guys like it. Y'all already know if you do, like, subscribe, comment. If you don't, keep that yourself. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.